If you're looking for a 4-bedroom family home in Rooikraal, this is a must-see. Let's go check it out. A lounge with an air conditioner and a fireplace. A second lounge with access to the patio, the bar is not included. The dining room next to the kitchen. Stunning kitchen with tucked away laundry, a gas stove and oven, granite tops, breakfast nook, a large pantry, and ample work surfaces and center island. The first bedroom. The second bedroom. Shared bathroom with a separate toilet basin. A study. Spacious main bedroom with air conditioner, dressing area, and ensuite bathroom. Beautifully updated ensuite bathroom of the main bedroom. The fourth bedroom with study area and balcony. Covered patio with built-in braai and a nice pool. The dog is not included. An absolutely stunning house with a solar backup system. If you're interested in this property, reach out to me in the comment section and let's get you into a viewing appointment. Thanks.